and take it and go to shoot you, kill you. That is a responsibility. Dodos is a bad man, real bad man. Zeeks is a real bad man.
How do you know
Adams is a real bad man. Leng is a real bad man. Tone Youth a real bad man. Starkey, Copper, Rag in the whole of it have stand up as a real bad man. The people that protect Jamaica from terrorists are real bad man. Terrorists and bad man are two different things.
And Ninja Man ranks in that group.
Dan of all Dan Gorgon, real bad man.
Tell me something. You just called a number of people and you called Mr. Adams.
And Leng, Tony, you with all of them. We stand up for city Jamaica run. Enough more all the police they must stand up for Jamaica. As long as them are not idiot police. Them are real bad man.
What exactly do you
not
mean by
talk about
idiot
police when them catch a man with 40 key, then give him back 20 and take 200,000. Now police when they catch a man with a gun around there, so